You always wear those handloom sarees. What's wrong with you?
से लोग स्लैंग्स କହିଛନ୍ତି because कि ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡିଓରେ western ପିନ୍ଧିଲି ମୁଁ ତା next ଭିଡିଓରେ ଶାଢ଼ୀ ପିନ୍ଧିଲି.
Are your reviews always unbiased? Are you honest in your reviews?
तो मैंने पकई देती गोटे न्यू इयर पणा संक्रांति वाला टाउन म्यूजिक रे तेलुगु म्यूजिक पकई देती बस ट्यूनिंग थिला ओडिया ओडिया सॉन्ग काई पकेलनी
Brands केस रे भी तांको पेमेंट साइकिल बहुत खराब.
What are your views about the Western culture?
You know,
Trying to plagiarize us.
The Indian sarees trend after the Ambani's wedding.
10-12 crores ର money ସେମାନେ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ନେଇକି ରଖିଛନ୍ତି.
brands delete negative comments. They ask people to delete.
I don't want people to waste their time watching my videos.
Is cringe also fashion now?
In Delhi recently last week, a couple was denied entry at a restaurant because it had a Western dress code. These Western brands, you know, they mispresent our culture.
Even during Mahakumbh, I was also there. मैंने मुझे दिल्ली. So I've seen they don't know why are they there.
Nowadays fashion कुछ ऐसा हो गया है हमने कुछ देखा हमको अच्छा लगा तो पहन लिया.
अगर मैं अच्छे से ड्रेस होके आती हूँ तो वो कंटेंट नहीं चलता है.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Suit yourselves as per your convenient time zones. Hi, I am your host. Along with my co-host, we'll get to her. But today we're going to discuss fashion and lifestyle. And we've got a very fascinating panel. And the conversation shall go on and on. But on the other side with me, I have...
Shri Parna, but you already know me as Shri. So today we are going to talk about trends, we're going to talk about diversity and dig a little deeper into controversies. So shall we?
Yes, please. The usual protocol of this show is very simple. We have around 22 categories, and every category has a certain value in it. This category is fashion and lifestyle. So I would just like to go through the table one by one. Can you like obviously introduce yourselves? And ये fashion और lifestyle कौन हुए? सीटा टिके पूछिए इधर पे. Can we start with you, Apsita?
Yeah, sure. Myself Ipshita Nanda. Currently I'm staying in Baleshwar and that's also my hometown. I'm not into content creation that much. मैं ये नहीं बोल सकती कि मैं I'm a content creator. मैं ये नहीं बोलती just because of कि making content is something different. I'm more into fashion and all of the stuffs. Apart from that, I'm also into like modeling. I host shows as well. And there is a thing. वो मैंने अभी नया करना शुरू किया, but I think I'll do it. That is managing influencers and all the things because I think I'm into Instagram for last 3.5 years. But मैंने properly सारा चीज को करना शुरू करना, contents बनाना, post करना, apart from कि कुछ photo click कर लिया और डाल लिया, ये सब कुछ छोड़ के मैंने proper कुछ एक niche लेके या फिर by time niche बदलता गया करके, तो ये होते होते मेरे को 2 साल हो गया almost. That's how it's going
But
on.
in fashion terms, what she's wearing is custom made. Masi's sari.
Bespoke.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look at the design and everything. It's made from a sari.
Wait, this is made from a sari.
Yes.
Now
मैंने
don't tell me you stitched it yourself and all of
No,
that.
no,
as
no,
well.
no. पर ये मैंने पिक किया था मेरी मौसी का साड़ी को मैंने पिक करके अपने हिसाब से कस्टमाइज करवाया है कि मेरे को मतलब थोड़ा पैंट्स लूज चाहिए ब्लेजर थोड़ा ऐसा सारा कस्टमाइजेशन मैंने किया बनाया मेरे डिजाइनर ने.
तो आपके हिसाब से फैशन और लाइफस्टाइल को अगर एक डेफिनेशन दिया जाए क्या होगा उसका डेफिनेशन?
फैशन नाउअडेज फैशन कुछ ऐसा हो गया है हमने कुछ देखा हमको अच्छा लगा तो पहन लिया. बट मैं क्या करती हूँ मेरे सेंस से मैं देखना और उसको लेना कि हाँ ये मेरे को अच्छा लगा मैं ये पहन सकती हूँ दैट इज ओके. बट एक होता है ना कि अपने पे सूट करना चाहिए. वी कांट से कि वो जो पहन रहे हैं हम वो पहनेंगे वो मेरे पे सूट करेगा. दैट इज टोटली अप टू आप कैसे दिखते हो एंड ऑल ऑफ द थिंग्स. तो मेरे हिसाब से मैं ये करती हूँ अगर मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है मैं पहन रही हूँ मेरे को देखने में अच्छा लग रहा है मैं खुद अच्छी दिख रही हूँ दैट्स व्हाट फैशन मीन करता है. मुझे दिखने में फैशनेबल होना चाहिए लोगों को ना लगे दैट नॉट माय
बेसिकली एक फीलिंग आना चाहिए अंदर से कि हाँ मैं लग रही हूँ. फॉर मी मैं लग रहा हूँ टाइप बट हाँ ओके
बिकॉज़ आई एम सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड.
It's important. How do I say? You have to take yourself seriously, but not too seriously. That balance exists.
Yes.
How are you, Madam Sushri?
Hi.
We've gotten to know a lot about you. You are
Draping diva.
the draping diva.
Yeah.
So she has been telling me that you have so many ways of draping your saris and whatnot.
Yeah.
But if you do not mind giving a short intro, and what does fashion and lifestyle mean for you?
Hi, I'm Sushri and I create content on fashion, lifestyle and culture. With a special focus on promoting Indian fashion through Indian handlooms and traditional drapes.
That's it. Other than this, like, but what's fashion for you?
Fashion for me is, it should make you feel confidence about yourself.
Well, actually, confidence is one of the most elements when you dress up, because there's a reason we dress up to look good and feel good.
Yeah. And when the fashion is right, your tone is perfect, and your
Mood,
presentation,
color, what are they?
yeah, the entire vibe of the day is like set.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
important. Now, following up, Rimli ma'am. Okay.
The winner of lifestyle and fashion.
No doubt. So we have the winner with us.
Yeah.
So my question to you is, ma'am, could you just introduce yourself and what's fashion and lifestyle for you?
So this is Rimli Mohanty, and I'm the fashion designer and founder of Rimli's Design Studio. And we completed 15 years this year. And for me, fashion is what you're comfortable with and which you can take it forward with your own sense of, carrying it out. I think
Yeah, this is like very well put actually. You have to take it forward also.
yeah. So
Okay.
that's what means to me, because like what you wear, you should be comfortable in it, and it should be pleasing to people also, and it should be in some way inspiring too.
It should provoke a thought.
Like
Yes.
a few months back, I complimented about her sari, which she designed herself, and it also has a story behind it.
To be honest, it's not exactly designed by me, but it is a revival sari. So normally, this kind of sari, which I saw in my grandma's wardrobe, she normally used to wear this kind of saris to the temple and all. So which is normally known as a Khandua Pata or something like that.
Okay.
So yeah, the Khandua Pata or Motha sari, which they used to
like
wear.
a traditional piece of clothing.
Yes. So, so basically, the border which you see in this, normally in Khandwa Pata, you don't see it anymore. So this is the border which we have revived from a 50-year-old sari, Khandwa sari.
Then how did you get the karigars and everyone to...
So we have a lot of karigars here. We have weavers who are like, they're brilliant in it,
Okay.
right? So we just need to find them out.
That requires patience, I believe.
Yes. That's why it took me 15 years to be where I'm sitting now.
And
Yeah.
you revived something which was pretty much forgotten, I believe.
Yes.
That's fashion as well. Revival.
Correct.
And madam, how are you?
I'm good.
Would you just mind introducing yourself and giving a line about what fashion and lifestyle is?
तो माई सेल्फ सोनिया साहू एंड मैं 2018 से कंटेंट क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं फैशन इसमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं थी. मैं पहले कॉमेडी वीडियोस बनाया करती थी यूट्यूब पे. मतलब तब बहुत चलते थे ऐसे स्किट्स वगैरह, तो मैंने बहुत बनाया. लाइक 20 वीडियोस मेरे यूट्यूब पे आप जाके देखना, वो पूरे कॉमेडी से रिलेटेड हैं. एंड फिर मैंने थोड़ा अपना कंटेंट चेंज किया एंड फिर मैं ब्यूटी और ऐसे स्किन केयर फैशन में आ गई. उसके बाद नाउ आई हैव अबाउट 4 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स ऑन यूट्यूब एंड अभी इंस्टा पे भी थोड़ा एक्टिव हो गई हूँ, तो वहाँ पे 11K फॉलोअर्स हैं. सो या और फैशन मेरे लिए लाइक आजकल तो सब ट्रेंड ही फॉलो कर रहे हैं. जो भी ट्रेंड में आता है सब वही पहनने लगते हैं. बट मेरे लिए फैशन का मतलब लाइक ऐसे पीसेस चूज करना जो मैं इसको रीयूज भी कर सकूँ, लाइक स्टाइल कर सकूँ डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स के साथ. नहीं ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार पहन के बस उसको फेंक दिया. सो दैट इज फैशन फॉर मी.
Okay. A sustainable angle also कि बार-बार यूज करो, ऐसा नहीं
यूज
कि
कर
एक event
सकते
के
हैं
लिए
एक
पहन
ही,
लिया
हाँ
हो गया.
उसके बाद हो गया उसको और वार्डरोब से निकाला ही नहीं.
Very pointless. Madam, why don't you introduce yourself and tell me what fashion is?
For me,
Yeah.
fashion. Okay. So right now, currently I'm wearing my mom's kurta, which she got from Jaipur. So for me, fashion traditionally means something from my mother, a piece of her heart, a piece of something that she has worn. So yeah, that's something, get recycling probably, old things into something, modernize it and everything. That's my idea of fashion.
Carrying a memory as well.
Correct.
Carrying a legacy.
Correct. A
मम्मी का
story.
है तो You have a friend over here.
A story behind every piece, particularly.
And that is fashion. So we have one too many definitions of fashion. But ladies, I have a question. Since we are talking about trends, we are talking about fashion. Kolhapuri chappal, that's something which I've been waiting to ask, has been a timeless piece. I actually remember seeing my dad wearing a Levi's 501 Kolhapuri chappal and a plain white t-shirt. And it used to hit different. बट अभी हुआ है कि प्राडा सोचा कि चलो हम लोग इंडिया से कोल्हापुरी चप्पल छापते हैं. Hi Prada, this one's for you. So Prada went like, yeah, we have these chappals, we're going to rebrand it and we're going to see to it that the world gets to know that Prada has done it, and their bluff was caught. What are your views about the Western culture
You know,
trying to plagiarize us and make themselves look cooler?
Because of the lack of awareness about our textiles or handicrafts in global market.
So it is a responsibility of the influencers as well to see to it that these brands don't get to just dhapa our styles.
Also, they are calling the dupatta Scandinavian scarf.
Yes, the Scandinavian scarf and all of that. Yes,
Correct.
Louis Vuitton was copying the purses and everything. What are your views about this?
If you say like most of the brands which you get from starting from Paris to UK or US, like all of them are made in India. And that is what people should know, because all the production houses are in Panipat, in Delhi. They're all lined up in that
Dharavi.
stretch. Yes.
Dharavi for leather.
Yes. So it was always India, which was always like, it was always India, which was rich in its art and culture. But it didn't have the scope to go forward, maybe. Or maybe people here didn't actually make it more aware to the people here. Or maybe people didn't know how to use those art and culture in a good way, so that, you know, like, because if you see, like staying in Odisha, a lot of people 5-6 years back, you'll see they were always used to wear those georgettes with chumkis and all that. No one even thought of wearing a Sambalpuri sari. Because Seithi, Momo Jejima ki ai ko dekhe, they were wearing their Odisha traditional sari, and whenever they go to the kichi jodi function hela ki kichi gote festival hela, to sabubare Jejima was like ki are tu Sambalpuri sari gote anibo, and Ma would go and, you know, change off because it was in trend. That's how. But it always stayed in the mane amar older age jo thile semane all samaj sabubare focus thile ki nahi hame eita pindiba, because semane comfortable thile.
Hence, fashion has its definition with comfort.
Yes, I think it's always it always starts from your home. It is not somewhere from outside who would actually, you know, like accept, you know, like समझ से बाहर वो दिखी पारी पे मैंने जमती की like the other brands from outside, they saw India has that capability. They have that art and culture which isn't going out. They have that much talent. ସବୁବେଳେ ବାହାର ଲୋକ ହିଁ ଦେଖି ପାରନ୍ତି, ଭିତର ଲୋକ କି ଦେଖି ପାରନ୍ତିନି. Exactly. So I think that's the case here.
And the Westerners have had their habits of exploiting
Yeah.
India since for hundreds of years now.
Yes, and now finally, when we have people, we have Instagram where you can talk about things now. Maybe that's the reason now the main things are coming out.
correct.
And people are able to see as to how our culture is being exploited and sold back to us.
Also in Odisha, people think Odia handloom means Sambalpuri. That's very common.
It's restricted. I was
They think Sambalpuri,
Dikshit was
whereas-
the brand ambassador of
On the handloom day.
Yeah. She has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Odisha Handloom.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, I didn't know this.
And she was wearing
Now
a
the handloom
Navapati.
exhibition is going on.
Yeah.
She came here. Madhuri Dixit, she came here and she is the brand ambassador. So
Yeah.
that,
Yeah, the
Now,
Ekta
for-
event
for a
which
year.
happened.
Okay, for this year.
yeah, for this year.
Okay, so
just last week. It got
I'm sorry, I think I remember
She
the
was
wrong
here on
times.
7th, I guess. 7th. She was here on
7th of August. Yeah.
7th of August.
I think I was living under a rock. But you said one thing very beautifully. I want to discuss this with everyone. So when it comes to fashion, you use the word trend. Now there is trend. There are timeless classic pieces, something which will never go out of style. So what are the different jargons or कोको शब्द रे एमती बुझाई परिबा लोक मनकु कि फैड कौन हुए, फैशन कौन हुए, ट्रेंड कौन हुए? Can you help me out over here?
Should I say or should I?
Anybody? This is a conversation. Anyone wants to join it, just.
Yeah.
So
Trend.
you can go ahead. I just want to listen actually, and then I will say.
No, actually train the आसे then पढ़ा है. It's not permanent, but basic pieces माने जेमती कि basic pieces जोड़ा में classic pieces को जिसे इटा में आज के लिए भी after 10 years भी से आपको हमें hundreds of ways भी style कर परिवा and सेटा किसी पूर्ण लगी बनी ये top time वो बहुत तरह पिंडी साइड ची but एबे मो अलगा हिंदी सूची कहीं ना इटा basic pieces so same thing.
Basic piece, but you have added a touch of modernization. The denim
And also
corset.
this one is a tribal jewelry.
Yeah, that's a tribal.
So you mix and match your essentials as well and come up with different outfits.
Fashion always fascinated me since childhood.
Okay.
That shows in her profile totally. Such a colorful profile she has.
Thank you.
So Ipsita, what are your views about fashion and trend?
जिमती सी बतेले ट्रेंड नॉर्मली गोटे ट्रेंड आसे किछ दिन चले देन पड़े तो सेटरे को होय ना आमे जस्ट गोटे ट्रेंड चाली छी आ समस्त करूचंती एंड आमे ता भितरे रहया पे कि ओके एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग वी शुड बी इन दैट रो एम्प्टी करे कि ना आमे स्टार्ट करू एंड एंड हे जाय एंड हे वाला डन वी आर डन विद दैट एंड आउ गोटे नुवा के छे तो नॉर्मली सेफ फ्लो रे यस मूवी जाए केबे बट नॉट every flow
because
sometimes
trend follow karo I was saying
कंटेंट क्रिएटर अच्छे माने ट्रेंड फॉलो करते ही पड़िबो किछि ऑप्शन हम दे दे
exactly
you'll have to take that
Pitching
one
करें
hook
भाई।
or that one challenge or that one song and all of that
exactly
but अभी का जो ट्रेंड को परस्यू करेगा से इंडिविजुअल ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ फैशन मिस आउट एजेंट तो how do you see to it कि that doesn't happen when you are following
निजर
trends
भी हमें टच ऐड करू एमती नहीं कि खाली ट्रेंड जा अछि सेटा को ही कॉपी करू माने निजर किछि टच ऐड करी कि हमें से ट्रेंड को फॉलो करते ट्राई करू
it's basically carrying on the trend in your own
बट
style.
ओन स्टाइल या
Okay, I think you have something to say as well.
No, because it's all about content here. So to be honest, I don't even think that what would be my next content because I just go like, when I move because my Instagram page is not about content all the time. It's because I want to keep it very natural, which is which is very authentic kind of,
Filterless.
so that people can connect with me. So I want to so that's the reason it's not that ki mu aji gote mane mu bhabi ki rokhi chi mu gote content create karibi. It's not like
It is
that
a
with
different
me.
thing for you.
Yeah.
You have a boutique.
Yes, I have my boutique. I have a particular line which I like, which like the handloom which I create and I revive, and that's how it has always been. And it's not like particularly that mate empty content create kariaro achi ki mate eta post kariaro achi loko seta like karibe ki no karibe. So for me, it is like moro day-to-day life re moro kon production hela mu kon revive kali. I am in my own, like mu moro nijaro dunia re hi thae, like I'm like ki I don't know ki whether so today if I come up with a sari तो मुझे जानी नहीं सर लोगों को भलो लगे वो कि नहीं, right? So I just post it because I like it.
Yeah.
It's not like कि so I post it like I just drape it or just put it on my shoulder and I say this is what I have created.
So you're very
And
free flowing.
yeah, so I want to it's like it just going with the flow kind of so that people can connect with you. It's not that कि and I have never asked people to मते तुमको भल लागु जदि तो तमे किनो. It's not that. If you like it,
Reach out.
reach out. You
And
are not.
people have been reaching out for
Yes,
15 years.
Yes, I'm like at times I'm actually shocked कि actually लोगों मैंने इतने भल पाइबा देखो चंती because I'm very grateful. I'm very very grateful. That's what I want to tell because the love and the support I have been getting from last, like mostly I would say from last 5 to 6 years, it has been overwhelming. Like I don't know how to say, but like it has been crazy.
So past
So-
5 years you've been active on Instagram And
Kind of, because on and off, because in last 5 years also I have delivered 2 babies. So it has been on and off.
Wait, so you have a boutique you've been running for 15 years.
Yeah.
motherhood.
You are a mother of 2. And you revive clothes.
Yeah.
So that's kind of like a superpower you have. Hey, come on, you're handling the house, you're running the show, you're getting the business to thrive. 15 years not a small job.
And she's her own social media manager.
Okay, so you take care of your own socials. My question is now, so many kids these days are trying to, let's say, sell t-shirts, socks, or some fashion accessory. Do you have a tip for them to weather through 15 years? कि 15 वर्ष अबिका तुमको जो किछि नहीं 16 वर्ष विषय भी कहि बानी 15 वर्ष रे ये सब हेई पारी बोली.
So, because when ମୁଁ ଯେବେ start କରିଥିଲି, like in 2010, ସେତେବେଳେ ନାହିଁ Instagram ଥିଲା ନାହିଁ Facebook ଥିଲା.
Exactly.
And ସେତେବେଳେ ମୋର only point ଥିଲା कि because ସେତେବେଳେ ଏଇଠି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ସମସ୍ତେ ସେ ଯୋଉ अनारकली चलथिला, lehengas चलथिला with those borders, heavy embroidery borders with those laces and all that. So I was like, I need to create something different. And I was always like, ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଝଟାକ ଜିନିଷ କେବେ ପିନ୍ଧି ପାରୁନଥିଲି. To be honest, I'm like, I'm sorry, but like ମୁଁ କେବେ ମାନେ ଏତେ ଚକମକ ଜିନିଷ ପିନ୍ଧି
You like to be minimalist.
Yes, I prefer it should be minimum and it should be elegant and it should be
Subtle.
yes, subtle.
should be Rimli
and,
Mohanty.
and even
All
people
in all.
should look at you.
Yeah.
Ki what is she wearing?
Okay. See, this is such a different perspective.
Correct.
So people who are
Yeah.
approaching fashion from social media perspective
And she's like,
versus someone who's like, भाड़ बजाए social
हाँ.
media, मेरे को पता है मेरे को क्या करना है. Now we have 2 more content creators. Hi guys. Now y'all are in the social media sphere. Y'all talk about fashion. Y'all talk about makeup. Y'all talk about skincare, hair care, all of that. Now this translates to a lifestyle. Abika केमती पहुंचारेगी. Do you think people are skincare literate? The importance of skincare.
can I ask, add to this?
Huh.
So you guys have all these collabs with brands, most of the content creators, they get approached by this skincare brand or clothes. Are your reviews always unbiased? Are you honest in your reviews? Or sometimes it's brand driven comments?
Yes. Being very honest, basically, if it's about skincare,
Yeah.
I don't use anything. Like that serum, face wash and anything. ମୁଁ face wash भी use करेंगे.
But if a brand
But
approaches
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ
you,
brand ର କଥା ଆସେ ସେମାନେ products ଦିଅନ୍ତି, brief and everything, we need to follow that.
yeah.
But କିଛି brands ଥାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉମାନେ କି timeline ବି ଦିଅନ୍ତି କି you use. If it's actually working some 0.0 percent भी, then you just put your original review, a raw thing.
Yeah.
But maximumly हुए कौन ना scripted ଥାଏ
ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ brief
लिखिकी दियंती कि एमती
Depend ना.
ଗୋଟେ brief ଥାଏ ସେଠି pointers ଖାଲି main points ଗୁଡା ଯୋଉ ଥାଏ ଆଉ ଆମେ ତାପରେ ନିଜର
You have to follow all these, skincare keywords in your
There's
video.
some keywords you need to mention.
If you are given sunscreen, then it's this SPF 50 plus
SPF
or whatever.
So you guys experiment on yourself first?
No, I have done only 2, so I don't know much about
तो
it.
पूरा skin did you try that on yourself first for a few
Yeah.
weeks
No,
before?
I've only tried with Garnier and Be Body Wash, so
Oh, okay.
Okay, so basically तुम लोग जो बोल रहे हो कि skincare is a myth.
no, skincare is not a myth. You must go to a dermatologist. Yeah, you must go to a dermatologist and get the prescription and get your products.
She's right, because these days
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ skin type ପୁରା ଅଲଗା
correct, correct.
It's a different science as well. There's a medical field.
This is also a skincare trend. कि ये अभी चल रहा है. This serum is working. This serum will take away my.
Yes, there was yes. What was that?
For glass glow.
Yeah, what Glass skin.
Yeah, Korean glass.
Korean
Yeah.
glass.
What is Korean glass skin and why do we want to use snail mucus? Where is Multani Mitti?
Multani Mitti love the chat.
It's like, why are we using our traditional ways?
ମୋତେ 9-10 ରେ ବହୁତ ପିମ୍ପଲ୍ସ ହଉଥିଲା ଆଉ ସତ କହିବି ତ ମୁଲତାनी ମିट्टी द्वारा ही स्किन ठीक ହେଇଛି
Because
True. Same with my
उससे
case.
कुछ भी होता है अभी
बेसन हल्दी मिक्स
हाँ।
करो उसका मैं अभी भी करती हूँ जैसे कि उन्होंने बताया ना 9-10 तक एक्चुअली माय स्किन वाज गुड आफ्टर दैट ये सब में घुसना जब से चालू किया कुछ ना कुछ रोज होता है तो डेली फेस पे लगता है मेकअप तो उसको आने के बाद जस्ट नॉर्मल डबल क्लींजिंग प्रोसेस दैट्स ऑल उसके बाद मैं फेस वॉश नहीं करती और हल्दी क्या समटाइम्स फेस पे सूट करता है समटाइम्स मेरे में सूट नहीं करता और ये होता है ना आप इतना तक हल्दी लगा रहे हो दैट इज बिट येलो ये वाला पार्ट फिर व्हाइटिश दिखता है एज पर योर स्किन टोन
Correct.
तो मुझे वो चीज अच्छा नहीं लगता वैसे मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती तो मैं क्या करती हूँ नॉर्मल बेसन लेती हूँ पानी या तो गुलाब जल ऐड करो लगाओ एंड वो चीज दिन भर चलता है
On social media, I see all these 10-step skincare routine.
हाँ
Starting from what that serum,
and
cleansing, double cleansing
double
stuff.
cleansing face
Sorry
but
guys,
double
this is
yeah.
cleansing
really conversation.
Yeah, it's good. मतलब
serum toner
toner.
moisturizer that eye cream that
Yeah.
under eye cream that lip
She listed it all. So
all
it,
of the things.
yeah. So is it really required?
No
No, right?
all the steps
इतने
are not
बड़ा स्टेप
required.
को ना सोशल मीडिया रे ही एक्चुअली वीडियो बने पे ही हमें करू रेगुलर लाइफ रे बहुत कम था जो मैंने एक्चुअली करंती आई नेवर सीन Real life रे।
more direct dermatologist work होता है बस more setting
Prescribed.
products हाँ सब prescribed
Prescribed. So are you saying all these big skincare brands, they are like marketing myth? Blemishes हटे देबे, pigmentation
yes,
हटे देबे.
एटा ही तो तंकर होता है एजेंट्स रे एटा है जा एटा रे पिंपल्स कम है जा एटा है जा ग्लो as and all of the things
it's name
That is-
diseases and the dark spots by I think sunscreen based work more to setting
you should follow some basic things daily ka
I'm also
skin
feeling out
care
of place
I'm
now.
like, I have no idea
Yeah,
what's
like,
in
But I really want to know what's your routine though.
For me?
Yeah.
I don't know. To be honest, I don't even. I feel like I don't even get time to wash my face at times. Like I just need to take bath twice daily. So I just go take bath because get up in the morning, take bath, do my like I'm into yoga and all, so I do my all that and then I'm set for the day. First go drop my son, get him ready, drop my son, come back again, get my daughter ready, go drop her, come back. That's how it just goes on till 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
And then I go to my workshop. That's what my routine is.
So that's pretty much like the whole day.
Yes. So
I think eating healthy and drinking water well enough is more than
Yoga.
also sleeping
Yeah.
that
8 hours of
sleep
sleep 8 hours of
is
sleep
very important.
8 hours
Oh,
is वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
I think I just get 4 hours.
Yeah, 4-5 hours that's it.
yes
But again, I think coming back to this fashion thing, a negative trend I'm speaking about right now. In Delhi recently, last week, a couple was denied entry at a restaurant because it had a Western dress code. This kind,
Indian
correct, and this is a discriminatory policy that is there, in many restaurants. I'm not speaking about metropolitan only, others as well.
See, in Bhubaneswar also there are places, for
Yeah.
example, if I wear, let's say, Kolhapuri or a Pojari, I won't get entry.
Because you're not wearing loafers and sneakers.
And there's one, like, how do I say, since I'm sitting with ladies today, I have a question. You all wear saris. It is still socially acceptable, but if a guy wears dhoti, everyone loses their calm. यदि कौन करूची यदि केमती काई की आस्तिला ये से
सब
सब
आंखें से
हाँ why is that bias still there in fashion? People have a problem with Indians dressing up as Indians. We can't have a Nehru jacket or kurtas or dhotis. This is part of our culture.
बाकी foreigners मैंने ऐसे केडी
हाँ सेवन से इतने पिने में कितने बॉडी
And they're allowed everywhere.
they can walk in wherever they want. These guys wear shorts and t-shirt and walk in at clubs. They are permitted. But why are Indians said no? You have to wear a laced shoe.
Correct.
You cannot wear your dhoti. You
So
have to wear full formal pants.
So do you guys think like this discriminatory policy should exist? Why aren't they eradicated? Like
এটা ଗୋଟେ stereotype ବନି ଯାଇଛି nobody is trying to break ସମସ୍ତେ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ଚାଲିଛନ୍ତି ଓକେ ଆମକୁ ଆମେ ଧୋତି ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଯାଉଛେ ବାହାରେ ଆମେ ବାହାରି ଯାଉଛେ somebody କି ଗୋଟେ କହିଦବ କଣ ପିନ୍ଧିଛି ସେଇଟା ଭାବିକି ଆମେ ସେଠି ଭାବୁ କି ନାଇଁ ଠିକ रहने दो let's go with the trend or जोड़ा चालचे set అయిపోయింది.
I think because of social media, people now have too many opinions.
Correct.
How is this dhoti looking? Go to Pinterest, 5 other things, this, that.
But they are the people who go and select if they have to wear a dhoti and go somewhere.
Yeah, they are the ones who
And
do
they
that.
are the one who
And वो भी
tell-
elastic वाला धोती लाएंगे. They won't make the efforts of figuring out how to drape a dhoti.
Yeah.
That's also a thing.
Pre-trapped dhoti.
हाँ.
Pre-trapped.
But it's pointless. Like
Yes.
you will get it. You have multiple styles in which you drape your sarees. Like if I may ask, like at the top of your mind, can you just name 5, 6 because I know nothing.
Okay, so it's one is Kandangi drape,
Okay.
then we have traditional drape which
Okay.
resembles Atpuri drape as well. Atpuri drape.
Atpuri.
Yeah, it's from West Bengal.
Okay.
That resembles our Odia drape also.
Okay.
Odiani drape, which we call. Then we have also Kuncha drape, that is also from Odisha.
Kuncha.
Yeah, Gaurapinda drape, that's also from Odisha. Then Sebaito women drape, that's also from Odisha.
Something from related to Puri, Sebaya.
Yeah, Sebaito women, they wear this. And then we have Kurgi drape from Karnataka. And we have Kasta drape or Nawari drape from Maharashtra. Then Gati Dhoti drape
Damn,
from
you know your
Uttarakhand.
drapes.
Yeah.
You know your drapes very, very well. So you've been like your Instagram content and everything, if I'm not wrong, is educating people also how
Yeah.
to approach different type of drapes.
Yeah, actually my point is I don't want people to waste their time watching my videos or posts. So I include every information. Every video of mine has information. So you are not wasting your time while watching my
So
videos.
it's infotainment as
Yeah,
while you
it
look
takes a
at them
lot of
looking
time
better.
also. It takes a lot of time.
Now, you make such difficult content where you do research. It's so good challenge. The same goes for you. You'll see somebody crack a really stupid joke. Hey, ita hegala. 500,000 views. And then you all spend 3 days, 4 days, 5 days reviewing it, not reviewing it. You all have a
Researching.
script. All of that. How does it feel when somebody who's actually just laughing for no apparent reason gets more views? What do you tell yourself to continue that journey?
अरे नॉर्मल इंस्टाग्राम रे ही लिपसिंग गुड़ा ही एते व्यूज आस जाए
हाँ.
तो देखि कि लाइक
खराब लगे.
की पई आमे कोन
मते
दुस
एମିତି
करछ
ଲାଗେ ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଯାଉଛି ବଟ୍ ମୋର ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମୋଟୋ ହିଁ ନୁହେଁ କି ଭ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଅର୍ ଲାଇକ୍ସ ମୁଁ ପୋଷ୍ଟ କରେ ବିକଜ ମୁଁ ଚାହେଁ କି ଲୋକ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ ମାଇ
She is in her own niche.
So
ଏମିତି
you,
ନୁହେଁ କି ଭାଇରାଲ ଯାଏନି ଭାଇରାଲ ତ ଯାଏ ବେଳେବେଳେ ଯାଏନି ବଟ୍ ଯାଏ ସେ ଲୋକ ବହୁତ ସେୟାର କରନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ
All about Instagram algorithm.
So, speaking of saris, I've heard that Sambalpuri patta costs way more in capital Bhubaneswar than it does
सोनपुर और
Sambalpur. It's true?
It also, yes, it's true. But because if you're getting it directly from the weavers,
Correct.
सेटा भी अच्छी. And even एबे भी एमती होची कि weavers माने actually से माने they are also using duplicate yarn. माने silk is not pure. सेटा भी होची. For which, because they want to keep their margin also. And in the end of the day, they also want to earn money. It's like, it's not like ତାଙ୍କର ଭୁଲ ନୁହଁ, but they want to see କି ସେମାନେ କେତେ profit କରିବେ, ମାନେ ସେମାନେ କେମିତି ଭଲ profit କରିବେ. So that is also there. You also get authentic ones and you also get mixed ones. It's up to you. ଯେମିତି କି mix କୋଡ଼ା it starts from 7.5, 8 ରୁ starting with.
Correct.
And the pure ones starts from 12, 13 range ରୁ starting with. So it is not therefore, but it is how it is because and it recently ହେଇଛି. From last 3 to 4 years, when the demand for handloom has gone up,
traditional.
So this
Odisha
huge price margin that we are seeing, it's because of the middlemen. That is there in between,
yes,
right?
the resellers, the middlemen, बहुत
So are they kind of exploiting our weavers?
yes.
Yeah,
They are?
actually ମୁଁ ଏବେ recently ମାଣିଆ ବନ୍ଧ ଯାଇଥିଲି viewers ସହ I had interacted.
Yeah.
So I asked them कि ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ହିସାବରେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେତେ ଏମିତି ମିଳୁଛି salary ମିଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ହିସାବରେ. So they said 500 to 600.
Too less?
Yeah, I know. Like that's a lot of effort they put. A family doing all the tie-dye process, then doing that that bandha kola na that involves a lot of things. I saw that and I was like, they're very less paid. 500 to 600 for a family.
So we really need to break this chain, you know.
Yes,
To make-
that's very much needed because Seta that is what because it has started after COVID.
Really?
Yes, that is what has happened after COVID. जोटी कि because they wanted to come back जितने बड़े पूरा सब बंद है गला. Most of the weavers they were supplying to Boyanica or they were
All these
supplying
big
to
brands.
yes all the big brands and all. So but जितने बड़े suddenly there was a stop. There was completely पूरा बंद हो जाता for a year. माने almost there was no purchase or anything. So they started that's movie setabare like when I was also working with you. So what I had done, I had taken, so that is when I started taking up clusters because they were like helpless ki kaun karibe. So that is, so I have utilized the COVID time very like, you know, efficiently because I took few clusters where I started developing new designs.
Yeah.
So through which they were also very interested to create something new because they were also into the same thing, creating the same patterns, same
yeah.
things again and again and again and again. So that is where actually that is how I got into doing and reviving new things, and that was in 2019. Or else before that I was just, you know, like I was just creating fabrics. I wasn't into too much into saris, like developing saris or something.
So fabrics as in
Like handloom or as a handloom fabrics. We also have fabrics and we also have saris. So I was into fabrics. So because I am more a boutique achi, to mate fabrics dakar thila. So mu fabrics use kariki different patterns and different attires karuthili. तो sarees भी करूथिली but सारी what I used to do मु सारी आनी की सारी को काटिकी कर. It's basically upcycling of sari which I was doing. So केमती तो एमती भी मु लोगों को कहते कि आपण पुराना सारी आणंतु because ओडिशा साड़ी it is like माने किछि हबनी माने even if you keep it for years माने if it's a pure sari it goes it's the
is it
best.
fine or it goes like it spoils off?
No, it doesn't because it depends. If it's a pure sari, it doesn't spoil.
Okay.
So it's the pure. It's the example of sustainable fashion. You
Can I
can
ask
say.
something? Like one of our colleagues from downstairs, he's from Western Odisha. So what he said, ki a real patta, the more the times you wear it, you
Yes.
polish it, the better it gets.
Yes, it becomes softer.
Yeah.
It becomes softer.
I didn't know
And
this.
over
I
here.
knew this regarding Kolhapuris,
Yeah.
not saris.
Even the same
So
thing.
you want some controversies, yeah?
I just want to know what's happening.
But yeah, like, you know, fabrics usually I think they deteriorate with time, you know, color fade age way. But this thing I heard today, like these saris, they become better and better with each use.
So basically, India has already been at it from like centuries ago. We know that this is sustainable fashion. We know this is a healthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
And everything.
Minimalist.
But now coming to the lifestyle segment, we've talked a lot about fashion. So what is, when you say lifestyle, and there is a segment on social media, lifestyle ko leke ki, amar jivan rahega, day in the life or get ready with me. There are so many segments. But what is lifestyle? Ki, what am I eating? How I'm traveling? Is it just showbazi for Instagram? Or am I actually seeing to it that my life quality is improving?
eBay, it's a trend, 30 days in my life. It's a trend actually. बहुत जना जते initially I think before 6-7 months recent की किसी content creators जो मैंने एकदम start कले they started with that daily vlogging, everyday life रो videos पकेवा. पण तापर धीरे-धीरे बहुत जड़ा कंटेंट क्रिएशन नीचे चेंज कर देले सेटा just because of कि सेटा views आछे. And I used to follow some 1-2 content creators who used to put daily vlogs just because of कि those are so pure. ଆମେ ଯଦି daily vlogs को भी filter out କରିକି ପକଉଛୁ.
Correct.
daily vlogs रे ଆମେ ready ହେଇକି ना camera set କରିକି start କରୁଛୁ. କିଛି daily vlogs रे we notice they just start कि एकदम they are covering the blanket
And they, you know,
yes,
suddenly the
that
blanket
is
is out.
okay. But
Yeah.
you are doing कि गोटे जगह कैमरा सेट होउची, एंगल सेट होउची, ट्राइपॉड रे कि माने निजर जते बीटीएस देखांती ट्राइपॉड रे कि कैमरा सेट होउची तापर you are just getting up that opening that curtains in a very fancy way. एटा बहुत, this is not a lifestyle. you are showing to people. That is not raw. So जिनसे तो scripted है वाला. Fancy way of filming करी हुआ जिनको that is not real lifestyle you are showing. But बहुत सारे content creators they do wake up, making breakfast, going for their work. They are full-time content creators. We're doing our contents, get out with friends. Say so, जिनसे जो मैंने the real way.
So do you think vloggers they lie a lot?
Vloggers, yes, sometimes. Some vloggers.
I guess they might be glorified.
And
because I doubt
nowadays-
people put makeup and jewelry and wake up in the morning like, oh my god, I look amazing.
That is a no makeup look, and you know कि तुम्हें बहुत सारा makeup करेगी no makeup look देखो जो that is not real.
Okay. So what are your views about lifestyle?
सो यूट्यूब आउ इनस्टारे लाइफस्टाइल आउ मतलब जहाँ लोक देखते पूरा अलग लाइक यूट्यूब रे मु अच्छी आउ इंस्टाग्राम रे भी अच्छी तो यूट्यूब रे मु देखी कि र आउ रियल कंटेंट बहुत चले आउ इंस्टा रे टिके हाईफाई टिके लोक हाईफाई कंटेंट देखते माने भल लागे सबन को
And even recently एटा भी हेला ना जो YouTube रे that copy contents and all of that.
Copyright content
You
use
can't
करने
do
से
that. तो लोग आउट के अवेयर रहेगा लेकिन ओके लेट्स वर्क ऑन आवर कंटेंट.
this term barter collab.
आई हेट दैट.
Yeah,
I also.
You know what is barter collab? So let me
I
tell our
guess
viewers
you
as
might
well.
would.
So it's a way where brands approach you, they give you the products, and instead they take content from you. They don't pay you money in that. सोच लो कि मैंने तुमको ये स्किन
So
केयर
they
दिया.
basically take your creativity.
Correct.
टाइम
Time, efforts. You are working for free for that brand. Why, like many new content creators in the wave ki I'll do content creation and everything, and they fall into this trap. Is it a trap? Is it a how do you pursue this thing?
ऑब्वियसली
Big trap.
आप नहीं बहुत लोग एक्चुअली हाँ दी बहुत desperate हाँ दी कि तब हम
Desperate.
collaboration मिलेगा मूवी कर देवी तो सेई desperation रे सेटा से मैंने करंती but मु पर्सनली बाटर collaboration आ जे मैंने small creator हिसाब रे गोटे दीटा मैंने बेसिक करी नथी 3-4 मैक्सिमम एबे मु सब ही पेड करे तो मु प्रेफर करे ना बाटर collaboration बिकॉज बहुत ही एफर्ट दरकार पड़े बहुत टाइम जाए मुझे एमती कहली मोर गोटे वीडियो 3 days चले 3 days लाके मते एडिटिंग रिसर्च सब करियर तो ओनली पेड ही नहीं है
ଆଉ ଏବେ ତ ବ୍ରାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ମାନେ ଭିଡିଓ ନେଇକି ସେଇ ଭିଡିଓ ଉପରେ ଆଡ୍ସ ଚଲାଉଛନ୍ତି
हाँ
ତ
That should be
ସେଇଟା ବି
ad
ସେମାନେ
rights.
ମନି ଇନକମ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
So
ତ
ad revenue is going to the brand itself.
obviously
So more than the ad revenue, let's say ki it's their faces
Correct.
and
Yes.
their ideas which is being sold to the masses.
They're undervaluing creativity.
More than undervaluing, also they're being greedy. They're not giving them their fair cut. Where is the intellectual property which belongs to them? तो तुम लोग को सड़ता नहीं है कि बॉस
ସେ ପାଇଁ ତ ମୁଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
मग ଆଉ କରିବା
ମୁଁ
ନାହିଁ.
କରେ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ.
But Rimli madam, have you ever faced barter collab?
A lot of this content creator, they actually, I think I can show you my phone. It's like
Your inbox.
Yes, my inbox is like, ma'am, please give a sari. We want to do a collab shoot and all that. I was like,
Oh, so they expect you to give them the sari.
that's the desperation I said.
And they'll just take a photo, selfie with you.
yeah. I have this many followers. You will get this much views and this, that. I was like, okay. I just,
ଫ୍ୟାସନ୍ ରୁ ବାଟର କଲରଟା ହେଲେ ବି ବୁଝି ଆସେ
but I find,
ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟସ୍ ଗୁଡାରେ
yeah.
सारे स्माइल ठीक हुए because there are
But I find, I don't find it to be
Yeah,
like worthwhile, to be honest, because for handloom saris, each saris have like their own way of dripping, because I don't know whether they can do that much justice to that piece or not. In my case, so but like there are content creators who actually, there are many brands who actually contact creators like you can, because I'm very out of, that's why I was just listening to all of them. I was just because I am not exactly into content creating, so that's why I'm
You're into
like,
fashion.
yeah,
You
like,
have a boutique.
yeah,
That's your,
I'm into,
your
yeah,
different genre.
yes, I'm
she's
completely,
entrepreneur.
She's entrepreneur.
Yeah.
But again,
Yeah.
you want to go.
No, you.
I have a question for both of them again. Has it been that a brand has approached you the way she was forced ki like nahi mujhe sari de do? Has a brand been like nahi mera product lagao? Has a brand been behind you कि नहीं तुम लोग product लगाओ, या ऐसा भी कभी हुआ है कि तुम लोगों ने कोई product use किया है and एक reaction हो गया?
Yes.
Because patch test और सब कुछ होता है ना, कान के पीछे कहीं कुछ एक लगाना
Yes,
होता है,
yes. Why मेरे
तो सिंपली की चाहिए ही
recently, like 2 months ago.
2 months ago.
2 months ago.
Can you take the name of the brand or no?
I don't feel so.
I'm not worth the risk. But a brand had approached you and
Yes, approached me. I think agency through maybe we got maximum things from agency connections
yeah.
actually, because once you are connected to agency, ଯେତିକ collabs ଆସିବ they will drop you.
okay.
It happens like this. तो ମାନେ ମତେ product ମିଳିଥିଲା, ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ସେଇଟାରେ actually ସେମାନେ timeline ଦେଇଥିଲେ କି you just use the product and give an honest review. So maybe complain ଏଇଟା ପାଇଁ କରୁନି, maybe that is more skin issues, that may be a
And
point.
still they asked you to.
But still ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବତେଇଲି ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା କି I have worked with lots of brands. ମତେ କେବେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଟା ହେଇନି, and there are some mini brands as well ଯୋଉମାନେ କି ଏତେ ବେଶୀ କ୍ଲେମ୍ କରନ୍ତିନି କି ଏମିତି ସେମିତି ଇଏ वो all of them. Still at least କେବେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇନି. ଆମେ maximum ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡିଓ ଶୁଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ we are using once or twice. ଯଦି हमको टाइमलाइन मिलिनी तो कि ଏତିକ ଦିନ ଅଛି, you apply and give an honest review.
Okay.
हाँ, तो ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ କି
और से समय भी बहुत adverse reaction और सब
yes,
होता है।
mother skin रे react ହେଇଥିଲା, and ତାପରେ କିଛି ଦିନ ତ ମୁଁ ମୋର actual କାମକୁ ବି ମାନେ ଯୋଉଟା मतलब normal
And do these brands then compensate for the work you missed out?
no. See, मैंने बहुत force करा, like madam you share the video, otherwise they will be blacklisted and all of them. Please do it. I don't want to work with your brand anymore.
Such a dark side of brand
Yes.
collaboration.
Like blacklisting it all.
Yeah.
Damn, the fashion industry is actually messed up.
Yeah.
It's
It
stressful.
is.
There's a very dark side of
actually,
all the things.
skincare or beauty.
See, skincare is also somewhere along the lines of looks. In fashion, I don't think it's just clothes. It can be the shoes, it can be my watch,
actually.
the accessories,
Whatever you're
everything.
doing.
See, you have the joker. I can't wear a joker. Not my style. That's not my style. For me, the only piece of jewelry is a watch. So I enjoy and indulge in watches. But when it comes to fashion, it's clothes, it's accessories, it's skincare. I guess it's how you smell also and present yourself.
Correct.
You can,
Good perfume
it's
is a
important.
very big deal.
You cannot be like, yeah, I look amazing, you go for a hug, yes, the sweat. Then there is no point in how you look.
Yeah.
So, I want to even discuss along the lines ki, how does India, or how do we, like this table of 6 people, how do we use our Indian ways in fashion and lifestyle? Because for us, fashion and lifestyle has been determined by what the Westerners have told us. कि एटा वेस्ट रे होउछे एटा ठीक. आमे आज एमके जीन्स पिंदिलु बोबाल दिसछे. तमने धोती किछि नाही. So एमती करे कि मते पचारि बच्चे कि fashion और lifestyle हमर traditions को हमें केमती integrate करि पारिबा.
I think it's already clear, like most of the Western people, I think they are the vast number of people who are following yoga and meditation
Yes,
right now.
it's collapsing out there.
Mostly
They're going
going
to
out
the
there.
Indian
So
ways.
I think if they can do it, and slowly I think people in India are also
it's
into
in
they
our
are,
blood technically speaking.
yeah. So I think it's finally if you say the Sanatan Dharma is finally catching up and coming back.
कहाँ ही भागेंगे?
हाँ.
They have power yoga, they have hydro yoga, what not?
Yoga is yoga.
Yeah.
It's just the way you do it.
But again, I just wanted to drag in another high-end brand here.
Yes.
Let's speak of Gucci
Huh.
and the sari it made for Alia
Alia
Bhatt
Bhatt.
for Cannes this year. It faced backlash. It wasn't a sari. They even said that it was a sari inspired, but again, wearing a tight skirt
Yeah.
with a scarf, as he said
And,
earlier,
that-
isn't sari.
And that looks like a bralette, not even a
Correct.
top.
So do you think, these Western brands, they mispresent our culture?
Yes.
It's because they saw the Indian, it's in trend now. The Indian sari is trend after the Ambani's wedding.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I never thought of it like that.
Correct.
That's the first time I saw everyone from the West, including the Kardashians.
Yeah.
तमीज में साड़ी पहन के आए हैं.
World leaders
With some
they-
heavy jewelries.
Yeah.
I never thought
Rented
of it from that
from-
perspective.
rented
Actually,
from
it's after
someone.
Manish.
It's the Ambani wedding which changed the entire.
Yes. You can just relate.
Yeah, now I can just see the whole clarity. This is so much related to fashion and everything.
I think everywhere you just need to join the dots.
Yes. Thank you for helping me do that. And let's go and let's, like, since we're talking fashion and we've talked about social media and lifestyle, there are these extreme fashion posts, there are these extreme lifestyle posts about people. There's a challenge 75 hard.
Hard day
25
challenge.
days hard day challenge.
Yeah, 75 hard karke you hashtag it, you go, you have to work out twice a day.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't drink, smoke or consume anything, that's fine. You work out twice a day, you don't go out of the house, you eat a certain diet, you read a certain amount of literature or whatnot. How extreme is that? Why is it that when you go for a challenge or when you have to show a lifestyle, you see these guys always wake up at 4 o'clock? Kholte hai, the sun is not out, they go back to sleep, they wake up, another shot, the sun is out. So, what is the need for extremes when it comes to lifestyle? And this question is for both of you all because you all are heavy into lifestyle.
मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स भी मुझे बोलते हैं कि दी डेली व्लॉग्स छोड़ा करो, मिनी व्लॉग्स, बट नहीं हो पाता मुझसे क्योंकि डेली मेरा लाइफस्टाइल वैसा नहीं होता, मतलब वैसा मेंटेन कर ही नहीं सकता कोई नॉर्मल जो हम।
10 रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होता है, कभी कभी खुद बीमार पड़ जाओ, नेबर बीमार पड़ जाता है, गैस खत्म हो
काम आ गया, कुछ कहीं चले गए तो कैसे होगा?
और उस जगह पे आप ट्रोल हो जाओगे। गेट अ लॉट ऑफ कमेंट्स अबाउट, बिकॉज ना बहुत बड़ा कंटेंट क्रिएटर है गला, दे जस्ट इग्नोर, वी आल्सो इग्नोर कमेंट्स, बट एट डीप डाउन समटाइम्स लागे हाँ कि कहीं के जिनसटा कहला या फिर कहीं के जिनसटा टेक्स्ट कला सीडी ड्रॉप कला, लोग तो एमती भी अच्छे कमेंट करते, इफ आर नॉट रिप्लाइंग योर डीएम्स रे भी ऐसे किसी जिनस को बार बार कहते, तो व्हाई टू शो समथिंग शुड बी पर्सनल.
So you've had your share of backlash in DMs where people have been like, "Era kaun Chachi?" Her face was so not, "हाँ Chachi." कितने message आते कि now you become desensitized to it.
Yes.
Hey girl, जब पठे बच्चे message पठे थे मते किचन में, wow, she's
just-
had a frustration.
I just totally ignore. करने दो.
So what about Shushri? What's your, side of DM के?
DMs रे କିଛି କୁହନ୍ତିନି, ବଟ୍ କମେଣ୍ଟସରେ ଥରେ ହିଁ ଆସିଥିଲା। ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି, ମୋର ସେତେବେଳେ ବହୁତ କମ୍ ଅଡ଼ିଏନ୍ସ ଥିଲା, ଆଇ ଥିଙ୍କ 1K ତଳେ ଥିଲା, ତ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି ଗୋଟେ ନ୍ୟୁ ଇୟର ପଣା ସଂକ୍ରାନ୍ତି ବାଲା, ଆଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକରେ ତେଲୁଗୁ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥିଲି, ବସ୍ ଟ୍ୟୁନିଂ ଥିଲା। ଦେନ୍ ସେଇଟା ଆସିଲା, ସେଇଟା ଭାଇରାଲ ବି ପଳେଇଲା, ସେଇଟା କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଭର୍ସିଆଲ ଥିଲା। ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସଙ୍ଗ କାହିଁ ପକେଇଲାନି, ଓଡ଼ିଆ ସଙ୍ଗ କାହିଁ ପକେଇଲାନି, बस ମୁଁ କହିଲି ମୁଁ ତ ଛୋଟ କ୍ରିଏଟର, ମୁଁ ଏତେ ଭାବି ହିଁ ନଥିଲି, ତ ବସ୍ ସେଇ ଥରେ ହିଁ ଥିଲା। ତାପରେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ଫିଲ୍ କଲି ହଁ ଲୋକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଭାଇରାଲ ଯାଉଛି ତ ଭଲ ହିଁ ହେଉଛି, ମୋର କ'ଣ ଯାଉଛି।
We cannot react to everything.
चैलेंजेस गुड़ा माने एते एक्सट्रीम हवा कथा नहीं, बट हाँ गुड़ा लाइफस्टाइल मेंटेन करवा निहाती दरकार, गुड लाइफस्टाइल।
So what is a good lifestyle? Like
हेल्दी
I need example, like something to be like for our viewers. Hi guys.
At the same time sleeping, our wake time fix करो।
8 hours of sleep के साथ.
Yeah.
Okay.
Our fruit salad intake, water, 3 liters of water, our 8 hours of sleep, our exercise, yoga, मतलब body movement किछि उठे हवा दरकार।
Just mostly like a lifestyle is investing time in yourself.
Yourself.
ଟିକେ कसरत करबे, खाଇବା ପିଇବା, ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଠିକ ହବ।
ମାନେ वर्क भी माइंड भी वर्क करवा दरकार,
Can't do
ମାନେ
that.
ब्रेन वर्क भी हवा दरकार, ମାନେ क्रिएटिविटी इज आल्सो नेसेसरी।
You can't do proper. What you can't do properly?
That 8 hours of sleep.
That's not easy.
Daily maintain
You can't.
ନା
ସେଇଟା ତ impossible.
ପସିବଲ
ମୁଁ डेली 5 hours ରୁ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ବେଶୀ ହେଇ ଯାଉଛି ନା, that must be a day ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ମୁଁ ବହୁତ free ଥିବି, एकदम पता नहीं कहीं कि सेई मंथ सारा ମୁଁ ଏତେ କାମ କରି ଦେଇଥିବି कि ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ମୁଁ ଭାବିଥିବି कि ମୁଁ କରିବିନି କିଛି, ମୁଁ ତ ହଟିବି ନାହିଁ ବେଡ୍ ଉପରୁ, something like that. डेली बेसिस रे 8 hours of sleep, that मॉर्निंग रे कि हाँ मॉर्निंग रे उठिबाटा I fix just because of I need to work out. I don't miss my workout because हाँ a point रे when we are talking about comments, there is a point. आज ही काली I was having a shoot for some brand and अलग content creators को नहीं की, तो तारा गुड़े तेरा gym shots थिला and we were shooting. I don't know why काली like last week टा मु gym जानी just because of I was very much unwell, so मु काली gym गली and being a gym lover मते बहुत बेसी इच्छा लगी कि let's do something, पूरा gym टा खाली थिला, तारो shoot होतला and I was doing, then gym रो filming करो थिले, they are my team, so they said कि you just do it, I'm filming करिवा, we will edit, we should like and post, तो मु just and obviously मु तो ready है कि जाए ना gym करे पे, I was wearing some jeans and all the things. एंड सेटर जो वीडियो रे आउटपुट आसला आई जस्ट लव्ड इट एंड आई पोस्टेड आज ही वो पोस्ट करछन आज ही गॉट ए कमेंट देयर कि जीन्स पिंदी की किए वर्कआउट करे और रियली यू आर वेयरिंग जीन्स इन द जिम यू डोंट नो हाउ टू गो टू जिम you don't have idea about gym clothes.
So people कहीं ना कहीं they will pick up one element from a video and back.
That's
मैंने नीचे
why.
कभी workout करू ना फिर
ସେମାନେ ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ 11ଟା ଉଠିକି ନା ବେଡ୍ ରେ ପଡ଼ିକି ନା ଫୋନ୍ ଟା ଚଲାଉଥିବେ 5 ଜଣଙ୍କ ଆଇଡି ରେ କମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁଥିବେ. That is a very bad thing.
Sorry. Usually India उठेंगे 5टा कमेंट करते हैं.
And literally ମୁଁ normally comments replies करेनी जो मन को ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି
Yeah.
बस सेति कोई रिप्लाई करे थैंक यू एंड ऑल ऑफ द स्टफ्स एंड इफ समथिंग ओवरऑल गोटे लाइक करिवार थे बट ए कमेंट पता नहीं आज इन मूड की मु ट्रैवल करूची मॉर्निंग रो काली हैड अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क मु मॉर्निंग रे ट्रैवल करली आई विल शूट एंड ऑल दिस ता भीतर ए सब जिंस देखि गोटे गोटे मोमेंट आसे आई गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड मु आज तक आई रिप्लाइड कि I don't exactly remember. I replied कि okay. No. एमती तो लेखिले लोक सेडी ना तांको लूप आहुरी बढी चल से तापर पुणी लेखि चल लोक एते फ्री बसछन्ते
ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ଥରେ ଥରେ ଲେଖି ଦେଇଛି ବାକି ମୁଁ ଡିଲିଟ୍ କରିଦିଏ ତାପରେ ଲେଖିଦିଏ ତାପରେ ଡିଲିଟ୍
in fact I got some comments I was shooting for a real estate company there are 3 videos गोटे I was wearing sari and it's kind of that जोटारे मु normal t-shirt and I was wearing a trouser सेठी I got a comment that your माने western ऊपर तो के comments आसी जाए you were showing all the stuffs apart from that you were showing your belly you were showing your that the cleavage and all of the thing some 3-4 days ପରେ ପୁଣି next video जते drop ହେଲା I was wearing saree and said I got such comments Instagram रे तो it was normal Facebook रे normally I don't check Facebook comments but जते brand रो video post होछ obviously you need to aware कि एपट सपोर्ट कमेंट्स होछ तो डिलीट ही हबो हां तो सेई जगह रे कि मु चेक करूथले एंड आई सॉ कि कमेंट्स एम्ती आछे लोक स्लैंग्स कहि छंती बिकॉज़ कि मु गोटे वीडियो रे वेस्टर्न पिनथिले मु त नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे साड़ी पिन
they are following up.
यस सेई पाइना मु कहले लोक एत्ते फ्री होछंती जो माने कमेंट करू छंती से माने
फेसबुक ऑडियंस बहुत डिफरेंट
ठीक ना बस लोग बोलले
These viewers are remembering what she posted last.
यस
See, either they're following the brand or they're following her. Yeah. So that is the challenge which she needs to face.
ଏଇ ଡରରେ ମୁଁ ଫେସବୁକ୍ ରେ ଅପଲୋଡ୍ ହି କରେନି କିଛି
Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, alga market, alga viewership.
So interesting thing she said that brands delete negative comments. They ask you to delete.
basically real estate part रे you need to do it
Real estate part. Right?
Yes.
Can you tell something more about this? Like
Okay. Being very honest about real estate, I still work with real estate brands, but still, real estate रो गोटे जिनस था. In fact, सेमाने भी निज मोरो से जिनस टा कुहंती. When it's coming about payment, बहुत content creators आसुंती, बहुत भाषण दियंती, हमें passion पे करूँ all of the things. That's okay. But at the end of the day, you also see कि how much money you have in your account. I don't know about others, but I do that. Obviously, मुझे efforts put करूँची, तो मते किछि तो return मिलिबो. गोटे certain time ने मते fame मिलिबो. तापरे तो I will go for money ना. तो सही point रे when you are checking, you have that much of amount in your account. तो real estate रे कौन हुए ना payment रे ते scenario आसे. There are such big real estate companies in Bhubaneswar. I don't want to take the names, but I heard 10-12 crores रो money account माने से माने लोगों को रो नहीं की रखी चंते, and still they are growing up in the market of real estate, and people can't do anything. Good real estate brand रो I was talking to them, their marketing head, they will see is like कि लोगों मते धमकी तक देई चंते घरु आसे उठे ना वरा.
wow.
हाँ, just because of कि company पैसा देने and what marketing head and से तांकर employees कौन करिवे से माने दो नांती पैसा. तो सही जगह रे those who are working with real estate brands must be aware of
रियल
this.
एस्टेट कथा तो जाननी ब्रांड्स केस रे भी तांको पेमेंट साइकिल बहुत
खराब
60 days 90 days ପରେ କିଏ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରେ ଭୁଲି ଯିବେ ତାପରେ ମାନେ फोन କରିକି ତାଙ୍କୁ
मानना पड़ेगा उतनी बार कि
90 days रे तमे कितने सारा ब्रांड काम कर देथिबो तमे को सेटा मन रखि बस कोडो 2000 5000 10000 whatever जहाँ भी मिलिबो 90 इस पेमेंट टर्म गुडा बहुत.
I was thinking what if I decide to join and become a fashion and lifestyle influencer now I'm like not my cup of tea.
And speaking of money, if I'm not wrong, Indian wedding industry is marked over $50 billion. I mean, that's a big amount.
Yes.
So out of it, how much do you think is driven by fashion? You know, different sangeet hua, haldi hua, and there is a social norm that's happening that you have to wear different clothes theme wise every function.
Yeah, that has become a trend now, and even it also goes in the decoration also. It's on because it as per the theme. They actually select the theme first. How they want the sangeet background to be, the decor to be,
The color
and then
coordination and all of
and
that.
then they come to like as so then they come to me. This is our decor. So what kind of attire should we wear?
Oh, so they dress up as per the decor.
Wow.
That is sad. तुम लोग की शादी है यार, तुम लोग पहनो जो पहनना है उसके हिसाब से डेकोर बनाओ.
Yeah, that's what it is now.
So you had people who've come to you and be like, this is more full ita, more background ita,
Amar background. No, that's the fact, and that's happening.
Yo.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So we have
I'm taken
all-
aback.
No, that is what it is.
And also the lehengas are at outrageous price.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been
It's
watching.
not outrageous, I believe. It's the brand.
Yeah.
But at the same time, the category which goes in.
They're also tagging it at that price level, no?
Bro, ये क्या हो रहा है कोल्हापुरी के साथ? 300 रुपए से मैं
वही
लिंकिंग रोड बॉम्बे में खरीदता था.
Indian people, they don't spend here. They will go they will go abroad and buy stuff there. The same thing which you get in India, they won't buy it
They
here.
just want that label, I believe.
How do you explain people as to the pricing when it comes to your creativity?
I think
Because it's not about that 15-20 minutes that you just scribble up something or come up.
Exactly.
It's years, if not years, decades.
yeah. So I think you should create something like that so that people don't question you about it.
Very well said.
Guys, exploiting my privileges, I'm going to hijack this for the next 10 minutes. Okay, so now we've talked a lot about ladies' fashion and everything. What about men's fashion? Now, since y'all are the ones who are here and y'all are good at it, men are not the fastest and the sharpest when it comes to styling. What is the one mistake, like, I want an answer from everyone, that men make when they try to stylize themselves?
One, skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans, okay.
Yeah.
You also join me. Okay, what is your problem? Which
That.
Skinny jeans.
Same.
And wearing it from
That
here.
baggy thing,
Yeah,
na?
yeah.
Yeah.
And I feel like it's just gonna go off.
No, you know the entire history behind it. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm not sure if this is going to come in the podcast, but if it does, don't kill me. So baggy pants basically started off in the West, in prisons, as an invitation for a man declaring that he's homosexual and he's up for action.
Oh my god.
That is the origin for baggy pants. So next time you'll wear it, you'll aren't looking cool. You'll are inviting. Whatever you'll understand.
This is a message to Justin Bieber.
Hey, he's gone. He's lost his. Your lady, sorry. He's good.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, so one mistake guys make when it comes to trousers, let's say, is skinny or too baggy and like
Yeah.
jhool raha hai.
Correct.
Like, let's call it the diaper syndrome.
So I have even seen guys wearing pants which just goes inside their chappal also. It just
Yes,
yeah, the pant is here. It is too long.
It just goes to the heel.
Yes, it just
becomes half a chappal.
Yes, it becomes half a chappal. I've seen few of.
Okay. So guys, please see to it that you're wearing your pants, you get it altered, proper fit, it's not dangling too much, it's not too skinny, you all need to breathe as well. And don't let it be too long. Either fold it, it's fine. I guess a fold is much better than that.
Yes.
The same problem, skinny.
बहुत
Okay.
ripped वाला jeans. Oh yeah, ripped.
फटा लूंगा.
बहुत फटा.
एकदम that is कि
No
pant.
ripped jeans either. Keep it simple, keep it classy. Anything else I can tell the viewers? Okay, we're done with pants, but what about shirts? Do guys make mistakes with shirts? Are they too
Too
safe?
much tight we don't like.
Tight.
Go for a size up.
Like oversized जो trend है ठीक है basically oversized है.
Oh my god, somebody.
Yeah, oversized is an overkill now.
Yeah.
Oversized
Oversized
जो
is
trend था, okay.
Yeah.
Oversized should not be बहुत basically oversized.
Correct.
No, that,
You
this
were
is
right.
okay.
You're good. This is okay.
I'm unconscious.
You're good.
Okay, so oversize is bad.
No, oversized is okay. That looks
One
cool.
side. One side.
One size of is
बहुत
okay.
बेसी oversize है जाने लगे कि काटो कोने मैगी केन की बिंदी सी.
Oh yes.
Listen. Ma'am, anything?
No, I would say the other side. So because people come to us for their wedding attires or getting something customized. So I have seen, I think guys are more particular about what they want
Okay.
when it comes to clothing. And like if a woman come to like Kurijio says, she's like, okay, mate eta dorkar, emti dorkar. Her main focus is ki mate sundar dikhabar achi. Mate particularly emti kama dorkar. This work I need and it should look exactly like this or whatever. But when a guy come to us, it is like, I want to be comfortable.
That's most important for guys.
Yes. So,
Freedom.
comfortable haba darkar, fabric better haba darkar. It doesn't matter ki bhalo dekha hochi ki nahi, but in the end it should look nice, but I should be comfortable with the fabric.
Yes.
I think that is what makes a difference there. Because jio manoko se khenchi he thau ki se kothi amti ye hai mane se ojan he thau, but they will just wear it, whatever it is.
So I think guys need to sacrifice comfort a little.
No, I don't think so. I think that is what is good.
Huh.
Like
Okay, that's good.
at least they know what they want. And they're clear about it.
And that works.
Yeah,
Yes.
if you like feel good, you look good.
Yeah. And if you can carry it,
See, now I cannot be like, I'm going to wear like vertical stripe bell bottom pant. I am a butler.
no.
6 foot ka hoga,
Yes.
then that look good.
But
Seti ki sense. So that's why we are here. We should tell them. We should, like that's. I give my point of view. Ki what should look good on him, right?
thing, you asked about the cracks. Now ask them, what kind, if a guy wears something particular.
Your co-host.
I know. So, what actually impresses you in a guy?
Oh, okay.
But that should go to them.
Black shirt,
If that is
roll up.
it's most typical thing. Black shirt is the safest thing. Give me something out of the box for guys.
Yeah.
Like see what happens now in party hota hai. So you've told black shirt. All the girls have told black shirt. All the guys have black shirt.
But that look good, yeah.
अभी भी पार्टी में 100 लोग मीटर की तरफ घूम रहे हैं black shirt black pant पहन के then ये भाई no guess. So there has to be some color, something which guys can use.
Some kind of a collar.
Some texture, some personality.
Beach
element.
colors, I think they look good.
Olive
kind of
green.
color.
Beach brown,
Like earthy
white.
colors.
Yeah,
Olive green.
But
Oh,
olive green, do you look, salmon color jakkondi, pink color? Guys should wear
Salmon
more.
pink. Yeah,
they
I
should wear
love
it
that.
more.
Men look the best in pink.
Oh
Baby
my
pink.
god. Guys wear
There are
pink.
so many things.
Lighter
Pink
shades.
looks good.
Yeah, this feels like a movie ka scene na. This pink, that pink.
प्यार का पंचनामा.
प्यार का पंचनामा. Like, trust me, guys, get confused. Okay, now what is the importance of good hairstyle? Because see, girls have the luxury to just outgrow your hair and do 50 styles at will. We guys have this much shorter, longer, we are done.
I think it depends from person to person with their how it's going to suit them. Like there are
But
guys
do
who
hairstyles matter?
yeah, it does. I think because there are guys who keep longer
She
hair
gave me
and
the
they look
judgmental look. ये क्या पूछ रहे थे?
But remember, I was saying long hair.
I'm telling, like there are guys who keep short hair, they look good, and there are guys who even keep long hair, they also look good with some beard, and it
Basically,
depends.
what you can carry.
Yeah, it basically how it's all about because every person there have their way of carrying it, right? The way they carry themselves. So someone's a different. I'm wearing a sari. She's wearing something. So it's the way we carry ourselves. It's also the same with guys, right? It's not that ki tamuku bhi pinde dele tame chadi ki poleva.
The guys, we have that thing कि हाथ चुकी ठीक नहीं देखी देवा.
Seida achi, eta uthi ki jauchi mo polevi. But if they have to go somewhere, I think they are the one who dress up. They take the most time to get dressed up.
So I should invest more time in dressing up.
No, I think that. I don't know about you, but
5 minutes, in and out, done. Too lazy for that.
But speaking of styles,
Huh.
provocative and unconventional dressing.
Mostly
wanna-
Instagram dress.
Instagram.
Mostly Urfi Javed.
हाँ, Instagram dress. Social media
So
publicity.
we have seen celebrity Urfi Javed wear trees, you know, and just different kind of
Safety
functions, safety pins, fish, frog,
To
and
quote her,
everything.
can I just say something?
Yeah.
मैं नस कर दूं. Sorry,
But
it's
yeah.
just from traitors.
कोई बात नहीं. But coming back, do you think celebrities like Urfi Javed, they push boundaries to, you know, seek attention? Is this, can you call this a creative freedom or just a way of attention seeking?
I would say attention.
Attention seeking.
Because she just comes up with, and hats off to her and the designer who creates them. Like, I don't know, like
They walk
it's-
out with pride as well. He's look what we are wearing.
yeah, it's like, and suddenly she comes out, two umbrellas opens up like this, and suddenly she just goes and something, a flower opens up here,
Correct.
and some water sprinkles comes
Even
out,
lights, right?
and it's like, yeah, it's with lights and something fan,
There's a
anything.
fan.
Yeah, it's just everything,
But
everything.
Is she using this as cringe appeal or like sex appeal, or what is she trying to tap into?
I don't think so. Anyone would be sexually attracted to her, whatever she wears. It would be like attention. It's all.
She has
Cringe.
told कि अगर मैं अच्छे से ड्रेस होके आती हूँ तो वो कंटेंट नहीं चलता है.
हाँ.
मुझे ऐसे ही करना
Oh, so
पड़ता है.
she's aware that she's dressing up shitty,
Yeah.
and she's going out there.
And that is a conscious choice for her.
Yeah, she's doing it
Do
consciously.
we all remember that ad from Trivago, na? There was this one guy, skinny guy, half a mustache. Go Trivago. No?
Yeah.
This was like some 8 years ago.
Yeah.
That was the first introduction for me to cringe advertisements. So, is cringe also fashion now? Now I'm just curious about
More
this.
fashion.
So is cringe fashion? Like is fashion becoming something that
वही
I'm
ज़्यादा
getting
चल रहा
attention?
है. वही ज़्यादा चल रहा है इंस्टाग्राम
So
पे.
Attention को लेके
So
बात.
if you can see, like all those a little elderly aunties nowadays, they are coming up wearing anything and everything and dancing to songs.
Correct.
I have one complaint with women is वो जो तुम लोग पहनते हो ना tights, skin colored tights. It is the most disgusting thing, which creeps me out. And I've seen people left, right, and center on the road like, hey. And so what is up with that? You all have talked about skinny jeans. I want to talk about this as well. Where does this cringe element or that attention-seeking element? Why is attention-seeking in fashion coinciding with each other?
Yeah, but at times I even wonder, like when you see this, videos in which this women, the creators are dancing, wearing something and dancing. I at times wondered, are they doing it knowingly or they just want to do it just to go with the trend?
How do I say? Sorry, it's a very guy example, but
Yeah.
KTM bikes, they're associated with Chapri bikes.
R15.
R15. These are amazing pieces of machinery, but it's just the people riding it and the stunts they were doing with the bikes. It's become a
Agreed.
Chapri.
At Royal Enfield.
So recently there was this very critically appeased post. A creator, she dressed up as Ma Kali.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And in a very, sexualized manner. Of course, she faced backlash about it. So, isn't it disrespecting religious sentiments in the name of fashion?
How would it be जिनसों mood इतने
It's there because as the spirituality and the Sanatana Dharma is coming forefront nowadays, because you see a lot of posts and videos nowadays. Aguru Kashi kiye jaun nathile. But during Mahakumbh, they don't even know what Mahakumbh is about. They started going to Kashi, they started going to Mahakumbh and start just to post reels.
Yeah.
So normally I go to Banaras, like I have my looms there, and I am a little inclined towards spirituality, so I keep on going. So we have, like, I have a small family there also, like small family, like in mane jai gote family type ro city he jai so semene last ko se koile like ebe mu last month bhi jai thili, so it was pura khali. तो से मैंने कोई चिंती अभी तो रील बनाओ कि आसना थी ना, अभी तो रील बनाने के लिए कोई नहीं आ रहा है.
Was khali ekdam.
Everything is khali. मैंने the roads are khali, the ghats are khali.
It's easy
You
to
don't
get more
see
trends.
people. You don't see people there any. मतलब there are people जेमती कि बोलबम चालथिला सेतिपाई कि माने काउरिया माने थिले and all that. Those who are actually जो माने जिबाकु चाहुंचंती, you will see them.
Yeah.
But there were none other people माने एमती जो माने रील करिया कुचा माने, and even during Mahakumbh I was also there. माने मुसेती थिली. So I've seen they don't know why are they there.
They were just
They were just there.
सब आ रहे हम भी आ जाएंगे.
Yes, it is just with the flow they're going. So maybe because it's a trend, because you see it is there are content creators who are doing for a betterment of the people, but people are not taking it in a good way also. Because they want to take it, because they want to, if ସମସ୍ତେ ଚାହାନ୍ତି କି ତାଙ୍କର reel या content they get the best viral हो कि कौन. So they don't see to find difference between what is going to work in a good way and what is not going to work. They're missing it out.
FOMO ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ.
is the keyword.
So they're missing out the thin line between actually, creating something in fashion versus,
Yeah.
Reality and digital world.
Correct.
That's the gap is becoming wider now, while thinning in its own ways. People are very deluded as to what is real, what is fashion. See, I have few guy friends who dress up just to take a photo. Instagram पे पके देले हे गला back boxers ganji. That's like pretty cute.
No, in that case also, it's like I keep on posting my sarees videos. I don't dress up every day. I don't put makeup. I every day jahan mu pindi che seya hi pindi ke I do the video. It's not like कि अरे मु गोटे वीडियो करी बोली बेसोपटा हेबी कौन पाई.
And
अरे people मते सेमती देखंतु ना, like
That's natural.
it's
That's the
natural.
reality.
Because I'm showing what is actually there. मु dress up ही कि तुमको देखिया पाई चाहूनी. So that is, it should be real. It should people, maybe that's the reason people connect with me. Maybe I feel like that.
Sushri, what's your take on this creator dressing up as Ma Kali? Because I have seen your content. You mix a lot of modern stuff, modern clothing with our traditional heritage. So what's your take on it?
I think ଆମର ସନାତନ ଧର୍ମରେ ଯୋଉଟା ମାନେ ଛୁଟ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନା, ମାନେ ବେଶୀ ରେଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ସନ୍ସ ନାହିଁ, କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ତ ଏମାନେ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି. ଯେଉଁ କ୍ରିଏଟର ମାନେ ଯିଏ ବି ବନେଇଛି ସିଏ ବି ତ ମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ହିଁ ନା, ଯିଏ କରିଛି ସେଇଟା ମାନେ ସେକ୍ସୁଆଲାଇଜ୍ ୱେରେ ମା କାଳୀଙ୍କୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିଛି, ତ ସେଇଟା ସିଏ ମାନେ ମକ୍ କରିବା ୱେରେ ହିଁ କରିଛି, ତ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ rules हवा कथा से सब विषय रे.
So you're saying that like subconscious intent behind.
हाँ actually से जानी ची कि एमती कले controversy हवा.
एमती कले मतलब views मेरे को ताले मोइट है करी.
That's the trend now.
Even if that's giving away my religious beliefs.
Anything is possible.
See, people
Anything.
want to objectify themselves on social
I
media
think,
for some reason. They are losing the human element. But all this for when we call therapists and we discuss what's wrong with humans. But as of now, sorry guys, I would love to continue this conversation. We've gone on and on for a good 1.5 hours too.
1.5 hours, yes.
Ooh. So yeah, now just to wrap it up, if y'all have to give a tip to the youth as to how to be responsible with your fashion and lifestyle, not just be flamboyant, not just be visible, not just be cool. You have a certain responsibility towards yourself, to what y'all put out there, how y'all carry yourself. What is that one ज्ञान which you would like to depart?
तो मु कहबी कि खाली ट्रेंड को फॉलो करंतुनी, ट्रेंड देखंतु कि ट्रेंड भी इम्पोर्टेंट अच्छी वायरल हवा पाई, बट सेठी निजर किसी एलिमेंट ऐड करंतु आउ तापरे ही ट्रेंड फॉलो करंतु. That's that.
So in the end of the day, whatever you do, in the end of the day, you should sit down before going to bed. Whether jahan bhi you have done in the whole day, have you done anything effective which will help others implying in their life? Like maybe whatever it is, whether it's how you dress up or how your day has gone, how you have put yourself up, because everyone is going through something or the other every day. We never know. So it's just be kind. And in the end of the day, just look into it that whether you are happy or not in the end of the day. Before going to sleep, have you done something good today or not?
A sense of contentment.
Yes.
Do not post fake lifestyle videos. Then focus on sustainability. In case of fashion or food, or even if you are traveling, focus on sustainability.
Ripshita.
Wear something what is making you comfortable. That is the first and the last thing. Simply, ମୁଁ କିଛି ବି ପିନ୍ଧୁଛି बस comfortable हवा दरकार. It's for everybody as well. କିଛି ବି ପିନ୍ଧୁଛନ୍ତି, it should be comfortable first. And ଏଇଟା ନାହିଁ କି କେହି ଗୋଟେ ଦେଖିକି ମତେ judge କରିଦବ. ଏଇଟା ବିଲକୁଲ ଦିମାଗରେ ଆସିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ. Just think I'm looking good, it's making me comfortable, that's enough. That's all.
So coming to the conclusion, when it comes to fashion, lifestyle and things, be sincere, be honest, be comfortable, don't try to fake it, because you might show that you're doing heavy lifts and once the weight is down, you add in another set of plates. Ki dekho, 30 kilo, single-handed. Don't do that. You're messing up somebody else's life, somebody else's faith, and just maybe planting a seed of insecurity for them. Fashion is done with responsibility. Have a lifestyle not to show, but to live. And with this, we conclude episode 8, Fashion and Lifestyle. Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath.